You've been hitting the gym, doing the workouts, eating what you think is enough, and still you look like a twig. Sound familiar? If you're a skinny guy struggling to build muscle, chances are you're making these mistakes. Most people won't tell you this because they don't want to hurt your feelings. But I don't care about your feelings. I care about results. So if you actually want to stop being weak, stop being small, and finally put on size, pay attention. Let's go. These are the common mistakes skinny guys make in fitness. Don't do this. Mistake number 1, not eating enough. You're not bulking. Let me guess. You think you eat a lot. Bro, I eat so much, but I just can't gain weight. Shut up. If you're not gaining weight, you're not eating enough. Period. You don't have a fast metabolism. You just eat like a bird. You need to be in a caloric surplus, meaning you eat more than you burn. If you don't track your food, you're guessing, and guessing equals no progress. The fix: track your calories. Aim for at least 3,000 plus a day. Eat high-calorie foods: rice, meat, potatoes, pasta, eggs, nuts, peanut butter. If you're not gaining, eat more. Stop blaming your metabolism and start stuffing your face. Mistake number 2, lifting too light. You're not challenging yourself. You see that guy in the gym curling the same 5-kilogram dumbbells every workout. Don't be that guy. If your weights aren't increasing, neither are your muscles. Lifting too light equals no growth. Your body won't change if it's not challenged. Doing 30 reps with baby weights is useless. You need progressive overload. If you finish a set and still have energy left, you're wasting time. The fix: lift heavy, push yourself. Every workout, aim to increase weight, reps, or intensity. Stop doing pump workouts. Train like you actually want to grow. Mistake number 3, too much cardio. You're burning all your gains. Cardio is fine, but if you're already struggling to gain weight and you're running like you're training for a marathon, you're just making it worse. Excessive cardio burns the calories you need to bulk up. If you're skinny, you don't need to be focusing on fat loss. You need mass. If you're addicted to running, enjoy being small forever. The fix: cut back on cardio. Max 2 to 3 short sessions a week. If you do cardio, keep it low intensity. Focus on strength training and eating more. Mistake number 4, not training hard enough. Workouts are too easy. You see those guys in the gym talking more than they lift? They're staying small forever. If you're not pushing yourself to failure, breaking a sweat, and leaving the gym feeling like you gave it everything, you're wasting your time. You need intensity. You need to feel the burn. If your last reps don't feel like hell, you're not training hard enough. The fix: stop playing around. Train like you mean it. Every rep should be controlled, explosive, and intentional. If your workouts feel easy, add more weight, more reps, or less rest. Mistake number 5, not resting enough. You're overtraining and not growing. Listen up, hard gainer. Muscles don't grow in the gym. They grow when you rest. If you're hitting the gym 7 days a week, training for hours and not seeing results, you're killing your own gains. Lifting every day doesn't equal more muscle. Burnout. Sleep is essential for muscle recovery. Less sleep equals less growth. If you train without resting, your body won't have time to repair and rebuild. The fix: train hard, but recover harder. Aim for 6 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. Give your muscles time to grow. Don't hit the same muscle group every day. Outro: the truth about building muscle. If you're skinny and tired of being small, fix these mistakes. No more fast metabolism excuses. No more weak workouts. No more skipping meals. Do the work. Eat big. Lift heavy. Train hard. Rest well. Repeat. Every damn day. No more complaining. No more overthinking. Just get big. Now get to work. Strong.